Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. John here, and you're on the Sky One Videos channel. This video is for you folks that are looking to get the perfect gift for a Challenger owner. As you know, we're pretty particular on what we use on our cars, especially waxes. And bear with me because I'm still figuring out this camera. Decals, you know, no matter what you get, it might not be exactly what somebody wants for their car. So what I recommend is something from chemical guys and something to deal with tools. Wash mitts, something to clean the rims. Just those little particular things. They have this other thing now. I'll try to post a photo of it. It's like a little stool, and you put all your waxes and your mitts and things like that on it, and you can wheel it out and you take it. You know, I use a cart. I'm using a cart right now. I put everything on the cart, but if you don't have that, I'm thinking if you get a garage, you can keep a lot of stuff on that, and then you know, it has a little stool you can sit on as you're working on the car too. So we're working on the rims. It's nice to have a little stool there. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of breath. Another cool tool, correction. Another cool gift idea is that this is like old school. We haven't seen these in a while, but these cars are being stolen. And this thing, it was like 30 bucks, I think. 39, 30. I don't know if it's 29 or 39, something like 30 or 40 bucks. I got it on Amazon. But yeah, this is the one with a double hook, so they can't just cut the steering wheel. They can still defeat this thing, believe me, but it takes time, and time is things that they're not going to want to mess with. They're going to be in a hurry. They want to get in and out. So another layer of protection just makes things a little bit more difficult for them. I also got the sheepskin seat covers. These were $60 each. I really like these. They've come in different colors. Makes the seats a little bit more comfortable. And your friends will call you Fuzzy. You know who you are, Vanessa. So yeah, that's kind of things that, you know, you might want to carry along, have in your car. Pepper spray, that's nice to have. Cars like this sometimes, but having something like that, a little bit less lethal, is nice to have with you as well. So, yeah. Gift certificates, things of that nature. See, I think because of all that stuff caught up in the at the ports, this stuff is not going to hit. It's not going to hit the retailers until after Christmas. Can you imagine what they're going to do? What are they going to do with all this stuff? I don't even know if they'll be able to unload it off the truck. My thought is they're just going to just about give it away. There's going to be huge sales after Christmas. So normally I don't recommend gift certificates and things of that nature, but maybe this year is the year for that. And also watch what you order. Call them first. Make sure they have it in stock, because they're not showing that they've got something out of stock. We ordered a Ring video doorbell. They don't even have them. They're talking 2-3 months before they'll even ship it. So yeah. Besides, Ring is not necessarily the best doorbell anyway. It's like a timeshare. You're going to be stuck with the maintenance fees, right? So you might want to look at doorbells that don't have that, but you also want to take into consideration who's writing the software, because I don't know if you want somebody like the government of People's Republic of China having full access to your phone. I don't know. There might be other things on there that, you know. Anyway, I don't mean to be a worrywart. I'm just saying, be simple. This might be the year for gift certificates. Congratulations For those of you that have a Challenger, I think you know that these things are a lot of fun. They're talking about going electric. I don't know. My investments, I've been investing in copper, lithium, and it's not skyrocketing, so I don't know how they plan to build electric cars without batteries or copper to make the motors. So I don't believe everything 100%. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and have a Merry Christmas coming up. All right, later.